We have an original and official Stasher Tupperware stretchable holder lid. Okay, so these are really popular. They've gone viral on social media a lot. It's just this really nice quality stretchy material, and you can put it over your square pans. So perfect if you cook a casserole and there's leftovers. You can put this over your square pan. Brownies. This is what it looks like up close. This is the stretch. The things I love about it is that you can fold it up nicely for storage so it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It also saves on plastic, so you're not using foil or saran wrap every time you want to save leftovers. All right, so for demonstration purposes, I have my 8x8 dish, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to use. So I use this dish for everything, to make brownies, to make different dishes like casserole, cobblers, and things like that. So you can see me just easily and effortlessly putting these over all four corners. It fits perfect. It kind of has a stick to it, so it grabs to the glass so nicely. It clings, it's airtight, stretchable, secure, easy to store, easy to use, durable, and long lasting. Of course, it's made from food safe platinum silicone material. It's microwave and dishwasher and oven and freezer safe. Fits a variety of materials, not just glass. It does stretch up to 10.5 by 10.5.